I picked up this 4X turret from the Final Faction that's available at Dollar Tree, and I modified it to be a gun platform instead of a missile shooter by cutting a couple of tips off of these old M16 barrels, and they slid right into the missile shooter portion of the 4X gun platform, or 4X turret. Decided to camouflage one by using two Sharpie markers, one green and one black, and I just went for a simple stripe color. It seems like you can see it better when I turn the light on the camera. I just did a simple kind of a squiggly line type of camouflage. You can't really see the green unless you light up, unless I turn the light on. But I think it looks pretty cool. And this camouflaging was pretty easy to do. I just did a bunch of squiggly stripes, and then with the green marker I just did a few little blobs here and there. But I like these little gun turrets. I think they're pretty cool. I like these little 4X turrets. I think they're pretty cool. Well, anyways, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and share this video, and comment below. All that stuff really helps my channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.